Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Terumot Perek He Mishna Gimal. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss if you have Teruma Tehora that falls into Hulin Temeim, so impure Hulin. Now, if you remember last Mishnah, we spoke about Teruma Teme'ah, impure Teruma, that fell into Hulin Tehorin, pure Hulin. So this is the exact opposite case. Remember last Mishnah, we had a mahloket between Chachamim and Rabbi Eliezer. Let's see our Mishnah. Se'ah teruma tehora, shnafla le'me'ah hulin temeim. You have one se'ah of teruma, pure teruma, that fell into hulin, 100 pieces of hulin temeim, right? So it should be ta'aleh, right? It's batel. You just have to take one out. So ta'aleh, you take one out. ותאכל ניקודים או כליות או תילוש בהם פירות או תתחלק לעיסות כדי שלא יהיה מקום אחד כביצה. So it's ole, right? And it's teruma tehora. But remember, it got mixed in with hulin temeim. So now we need to treat this with some type of sanctity. So what do? We say that it should be eaten, either as small ka'ak, less than a kabetza size, or roasted, or was made with fruit juice, right? Not coming in contact with water, or split it up into smaller pieces of dough, each one less than a kabetza. Again, right? We're treating it. We don't want this to become tameh. We don't want the teruma that actually did fall in, right, to become tameh. So we say to go ahead and make sure that we prevent the tumah from spreading to it, either by keeping the hulin tahor or by also keeping the teruma itself, dry, and not in contact with water, so the tumah doesn't pass on. Now, question: where is it Rabbi Eliezer? How come Rabbi Eliezer is not arguing in this Mishnah? He argued in the last Mishnah, right? He said to the se'ah she'alta. Right, the one that fell in is the one you pulled out, and therefore in last Mishnah you said you go ahead and you burn it, right? Because the teruma teme'ah that fell in, you pick up and you burn. So how come over here teruma tehora fell in? So say you could go ahead and eat it like regular teruma, teruma tehora. Why are you saying that you're not? Why is he not arguing over here and seemingly agreeing to Hachamim, right? That you're not allowed to make this tameh. Say the one that fell in is the one you picked out and eat it. So interestingly enough, Rambam points out, the Rabbi Eliezer is only going to say that the one that fell in is the one that you picked out when it's the achmir, right? When you say it fell in, last Mishnah, when you pick it out, that's the one that fell in. That was the tameh one that fell in, so you have to go ahead and burn it. Don't eat it. It's being mahmir. But over here, in this case, he's not going to say the one you picked out is the exact is the teruma tehora, because then what if it isn't? Then you're going to end up causing the actual teruma to become tameh. So you say he agrees to Hachamim in this case, and he says that you're not allowed to just go ahead and eat it, assume that it's tahor. Rather, you need to go ahead and break it up into these smaller pieces or prevent it from becoming tameh.